tutorial number 8, and we're going to continue talking about the sketching and sketch tools and feature. Let's start a sketch, and in this tutorial we're going to talk about the sketch tool. You were wondering about this sketch tool here, menu. It contains the grid on or off, and snap to point, and construction, standard element, geometry constraint, and dimensional constraint. So to show the meaning of these icons, for example, grid on or off, it is kind of easy to know. So you notice there's a grid here helping for sketching. If you click on it, so you turn the grid off, and still you can work there. And if you notice to the second corner of the rectangle, the coordinates are given in an ordered dimension. For example, 50, 60, 70, 100, 110, and so on. So now let's turn the grid on, and the reason why for example, let's draw another rectangle. The reason why your coordinates are stuck on some ordered number because of the option here, snap to point. So you will notice that your rectangle will be drawn only on this grid. So let's start another rectangle, this time with the snap on is off, and you can notice the coordinates of the second corner of the rectangle doesn't have that ordered number. So you have kind of fractions or decimal numbers. So now you can draw your rectangle without sticking with the grid. So that is up to the sketcher to decide what is better and what is not. And for the construction here, you are changing some line or the profiles into construction. For example, let's choose this and turn it into construction line. So now it turn into construction line for helping purposes, and here you can also turn it into construction, or you can select more than line and turn it into construction.